Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware. Check that your Android supports dual SIM, eSIM, or dual nano SIM so we avoid wasted steps. Power down and insert both cards into the labeled trays, then boot the phone. Once done, open Settings and tap Network and Internet to verify two entries, SIM1 and SIM2. If one is missing, reseat the card and restart. Make sure both carriers' names or numbers appear before moving to Preference Configuration and Data Setup. Now configure how your phone uses each SIM. Open SIMs or mobile network settings and assign defaults for calls, texts, and mobile data. Choose one for data and set the other as secondary. Once set, enable Wi-Fi calling or roaming per SIM if your carrier supports it. This prevents unexpected charges. Label each SIM for clarity and check or add the correct APN settings so mobile data works. If you use work and personal plans, this step organizes traffic and billing properly. To use dual SIM day-to-day, pick a default when calling or assign SIMs per contact for predictable billing. You can also switch SIMs before dialing. Monitor per SIM data usage in settings and set limits to avoid surprises. Once done, make sure Do Not Disturb and other profiles apply correctly to the active SIM. If something breaks, no signal or data, toggle the affected SIM off and on, restart the phone, and install carrier updates. Those 3 moves resolve most dual SIM hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.